Hello there everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw cute rabbit family. So let's begin by drawing the little rabbit. I've drawn a circle for her face and two other circles inside for her eyes. The eyes should be drawn in the middle of the face, and a little dot for her nose and mouth like this. Now draw her ears. For the little rabbit, the ears should be small like this. As this is a girl rabbit, I'm drawing a frog. The size of the frog should be small, should not be bigger than the face. And now draw two little lines for her legs and little shoes. The legs should also be small like this, otherwise it won't look good. And you can draw designs on her frog if you'd like. Next, I'm going to draw Mommy Rabbit. Draw a shape like this. Mommy Rabbit is facing to a side, so this is a side view, and that's why it's not a circle. Now let's draw her eyes as a circle, eyeball, and long ears. See how the ears are long for the mommy rabbit. A circle for nose and mouth. For mommy rabbit, I've drawn eyelashes. Her dress. You can draw designs if you'd like. I'm just keeping it simple. And for her legs, draw two lines. And I'm drawing triangle shapes for her shoes. We'll draw the hands of mommy rabbit and the little rabbit later. You'll understand why at the end. And now let's draw daddy rabbit. The face is kind of same. He's also facing to the side, and that's why I'm drawing this shape. Eyes, a little circle for nose and mouth, draw ears. That's also same like mommy rabbit's. An oval shape for the body. You can use a pencil to do this drawing, and at the end you can use a marker or sketch pen to darken the lines so that it will look good when you're coloring. I'm drawing daddy rabbit's legs. I'm just using a marker to darken the lines so that it will look very good. Next, I'm going to draw the hands. Mark points for Mommy Rabbit and Daddy Rabbit like this, and also the little rabbit, and just draw a line joining those dots. You'll understand when I draw using the marker. Draw 2 circles, and now it looks like the little rabbit is holding hands with her parents. Few dots. Next, I'm going to draw a heart shape. It shows the loving family. We're almost done with the drawing, except for little changes. I am drawing eyelashes for the little rabbit. And lips for Mommy Rabbit. Hope you like this drawing. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Bye.